Hey Sandra, so I just wanted to make a short video so you could see the area that I was searching for comparables. So your property is right here. So I did everything in this big square here, which is a pretty big area. But I didn't want to go south and I didn't want to go north of Wheelock Parkway or really get into the east side of 35W or too far over to Dale. Just wanted to stay in your neighborhood because that's going to give us the most accurate data. So then I searched for 2 bedroom, 1 baths because that's what you have. I didn't want to go into 3 bedrooms because that adds a lot of value. And I looked for anything built 1930 plus because you have a newer construction house. I didn't want to use stuff from the 1880s because that's going to be way cheaper and it's not comparable to the construction that you have. But so these were the 6 sales. I'm going to send you these. And so this one's under contract right now at 200. It's smaller. This one sold for 203, 834 square feet. So this one was smaller. But like, we want to look at the pictures too. That's a nice looking house. Got a nice new kitchen in it, and it does have a basement. It's a small house market. This is going to be a really important one to watch because it's on the market. It hasn't sold yet. And it's a pretty nice house. Needs some updating, but it doesn't have a garage. It's on a big parcel. And then this one is the one that I found was interesting. It's a new construction house. So this is newest in construction towards yours. Totally fixed up, but it's nice, beautiful, right? But they missed the mark, 330, and ended up going for 260. So that was why I don't think doing the rehab is a good idea because I don't want that to happen to you. I think it's better to play it safe. This one's interesting, but it's up on Dale. It's farther away. It's way up here, a little bit nicer area than down here, but it did sell for 285 and it has 1,200 square feet, so similar to yours. New appliances. It does have the older flooring, but the kitchen's updated. It does have a basement. The basement adds a lot of value. It does have a nice fenced-in yard, and it's in a little bit better location. But that was on the market for 185 days. So, I think without the basement, you got to subtract some value for that. That's why I kind of put that cap like around like 260 if you fixed it up. And this one's totally different. It's got beautiful hardwood floors, fireplace, big kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and it's got a nice big full basement. So that basement's going to add a lot of value because people want a basement. And look at that huge, beautiful yard. So location, location, location. I just wanted to show you this so you can see, share it with your family, and I will send this over to you. All right, bye-bye.